Are you frustrated with slow internet and dead zones? You're not alone. Weak Wi-Fi signals are a common problem today. In this video, we'll explore 10 easy ways to boost your home Wi-Fi signal. By following these steps, you'll enjoy a stronger, faster connection without needing technical skills. Start with the first step. Reboot your router. Unplug your router, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears memory leaks and improves performance. Next, move your router to a central location. Place it high up, away from walls, metal, and mirrors to maximize signal reach. Now let's change the Wi-Fi channel. Log into your router's admin panel and navigate to wireless settings. Change the channel to 1, 6, or 11. Tools like Wi-Fi Analyzer can help you find the least used channel. If your router has external antennas, position them correctly. Keep one vertical for horizontal coverage and one horizontal for vertical coverage. This helps improve signal distribution. If your router is dual band, consider using the 5 GHz band. This band provides faster speeds at a shorter range. Use it when you're close to the router. Next, eliminate interference from other devices. Keep your router away from cordless phones, microwaves, and baby monitors. Test the signal by turning these devices off temporarily. Updating your router's firmware is also crucial. Log into the admin panel, check for firmware updates, and install the latest version. This will enhance speed and security. Limit the number of devices connected to your network. Pause auto updates and restrict background app usage. Use quality of service settings to prioritize important apps. If you have a large home, consider adding a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system. Extenders are budget-friendly, while mesh systems offer seamless coverage. Popular options include TP-Link and Google Nest Wi-Fi. Finally, secure your Wi-Fi network. Set a strong password and block unknown devices from connecting. This prevents bandwidth theft from neighbors. To summarize, remember these key actions. Restarting your router clears errors. Moving it to a central spot reduces signal loss. Changing the channel avoids interference. Using the 5 GHz band speeds things up. Improving your Wi-Fi signal is simple and cost-effective. With these adjustments, you can enjoy fast and reliable internet. Now take action. Apply these tips and see the difference. If you found this helpful, bookmark it and share your results in the comments. Share this video with anyone struggling with slow Wi-Fi.